What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and a review of this watch right here, which I recently got. So this was sent to me to do my honest opinion and unboxing of. In my opinion already, from this box right here, it's a nice little watch that can tell the time, can track your fitness and all those things. Those are like a fitness tracker watch right here. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. So in the package we have like a warranty card right here. Also we have a user manual, as you can see right here. We have the charging USB cable. So this is the cable that we use to charge the watch. Something like this. Looking really neat, as you can see right here. In the package we have the watch right here itself. And this is how the watch look, guys. Looking really neat, just like a normal fitness watch. Nothing too crazy. The watch band feel a bit nice. Peel off this right here. It's great. Now before this can turn on, so you have to ensure that we try to boot it up first with the power cable. So I'm gonna try that with the cable right here, just to power it up, let you guys see how it works. Alright, so we have the cable plugged in right here. Gonna try to charge up this. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the watch right here. Looking really neat. So we have the plug in right now. So we're gonna press this button right here. You can see that we have at least 94% charge, and it is telling the time. So I'm gonna press the button to turn it on. So on the screen, as you can see right there, you have to download the Verify app from the Google Play Store for it to activate. So we can scan it to activate it and to connect it with your phone. Alright guys, so we can connect this two ways. We can connect this by scanning the code on it right here to download it from the Play Store, or if you have the app on your phone already, you can just go ahead and connect it via a Bluetooth. So once you go into Bluetooth on your phone, so as you can see guys, I scanned it and I have my device connected right there, so I can pair it, which is showing that it's connected successfully. So I'm click on done right here, allow, click on done, and now my device is connected, which I have built in Alexa and those things. If I want to set that up, I can skip that for now. And my watch is now connected. You can see that the same name right there. I can turn this off for now. And that's how my watch just connected very easily. And as you can see guys, this is my watch right here. Now it starts to showing those functions such as activity, as you guys can see right there. You can call, Alexa built in right there. You can track your walking movements, workout and those things. So this is the menu right here, all things that you can do on this watch. And it just have a lot of function. You can see the camera and those things. You can see notification right there. And there's some features of this smartwatch. Looking really neat smartwatch, you know, lightweight and something that you can use to just carry around. So that's it guys, this is the watch right here on my wrist. Looking nice, as you can see right there. Feel very comfortable and neat, and does fit perfectly on my arm right there. So whenever I walk, I can use like track my movements and just tell the times and those basic things right here. Neat little watch, fit perfectly, and this is it. So hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys next video. Peace out.